Hi, in this video, we will talk about sole proprietorship registration. Sole proprietorship is a one-man business entity. It is owned, controlled, and managed by a single person called proprietor. The proprietor owns the business in his own name under his own PAN number. He is personally liable for his debts. The sole proprietorship and proprietor are one and the same thing. The advantages of sole proprietorship are legally recognized. The proprietor will be legally recognized as a supplier of goods and services. Claim input tax credit. The proprietor can claim the input tax credit, that is, tax paid on the purchase of goods and services. Sales without restrictions. He can make interstate sales without restrictions. The proprietor can have a competitive advantage in comparison to the other business. Compliances are less. In GST, the number of compliances are less as it has replaced all the other indirect taxes. There are two types of plans in sole proprietorship. Plan A. If you want to get only GST registration done, you should go for Plan A. And Plan B. If you want to get GST registration and MSME registration, you should go for Plan B. At Super CA, we provide you a convenient platform to register for sole proprietorship registration by doing the following steps. Choose the plan. Log into our self-help portal. Click on Continue. Fill the basic information about business. Fill the basic information about applicant and upload the PAN card, Aadhaar card, and passport size photograph. Fill in the basic information about business address and upload the electricity bill or rent agreement if the place is rented, and then click on Pay Now. Once we receive the payment, you can check your sole proprietorship registration status under My Service tab. Documents required for sole proprietorship are PAN card of the owner, Aadhaar card of the owner, passport size photograph of the owner, and address proof. If you have any query, please contact us on 8000 90068, or you can email us at contact@superca.in.